If you're looking for an easy way to style your hair every day, this literally looks like it could be my real hair.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and the more one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up.
This is a V-part wig from OQHAIR, and this is their Afro curly texture. It's 18 inches long, and y'all, it blends in so good with my natural hair. Like, who gonna clock me, boo? This is my hair. It looks so freaking cute, and I'm loving it. I told y'all I have been obsessed with trying out more natural looking wigs, so I hope y'all have been enjoying my latest wig videos. I typically don't do V-part wigs too often because I don't like applying a lot of heat on my hair to blend it, but the curly V-part wigs are absolutely perfect because it blends in seamlessly with my natural curls, so I don't have to add any heat or use a flat iron on my natural hair. So I would consider this to still be a protective style since I don't need to apply heat or anything, and most of my hair is tucked away, but it still looks super natural. If you are someone who does not like wearing lace closure wigs, you just don't feel comfortable with it, you don't like seeing the lace, then a V-part wig like this one, it's gonna be perfect, especially if you have natural hair. I'm gonna show y'all how I defined the curls on this V-part wig from OQHAIR today. I'm also gonna show you how I blended my hair with the V-part wig flawlessly. So if you're interested in checking out how I did that today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. We've got a V-part wig install today from OQHAIR. That is why I have my hair like this, like a little bit of leave out, and then I have my hair in this ponytail in the back, and I just braided it up. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig. This wig did come with some freebies. It came with these lashes, an elastic melting band, and one HD wig cap. So here is the V-part wig. This is their Afro curly texture, and it is 18 inches long, y'all. It does have this piece on the front right here, but you can cut that before you install it. It comes with 3 wig clips on the top of the wig to secure the wig down. It also comes with 2 wig clips on each side, and then it has 1 removable wig comb in the back of the wig. The wig also comes with this adjustable elastic band strap, so you can tighten this to your head shape and size. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this piece on the front of the wig, y'all. This little black band, because we don't need it. So I'm actually gonna take this braid and I'm just gonna wrap it around the bun in the back. So now that I've got my hair in this bun, let's go ahead and put the V-part wig on. So I'm going to open up these clips here, and I'm just going to slide them into the hair. And then I'm going to clip it down in place so it's nice and secure and does not move. I know a lot of people like to braid their hair around a V-part wig. I never have any problems doing it this way, but obviously if you do braids, it's going to be more secure, but this always works for me. All right, so the wig is nice and secure on my head now, as you can see. So this wig straight out of the box does not look bad at all. The curls are nicely defined already, but I already know once I define these curls, it's gonna be even better. Let's see what the curl pattern is looking like. Hopefully it blends in seamlessly with my natural hair, but we're gonna go ahead and just part this down the middle and the back. I'm gonna work one side at a time, but I'm also going to just work in sections too. That just makes things a lot easier if you work in sections. And then I'm gonna use mousse only. I normally wet down the hair, but I wanna try just using mousse on this hair and see what it's looking like. I'm tripping, y'all. I got mousse all over my floor. And this is the Lotta Body Mousse. So I'm just gonna put it all in this hair, get it nice and saturated. And then I'm gonna take this brush from Evolve and just use it to really define these curls. Look at that, y'all. So pretty. So I'm just gonna keep going section by section until I get my full hair done. So I'm gonna fast forward through the rest because y'all see what I'm doing. Y'all don't need to see it in real time like me. It's gonna take a little while in real time, but that's why I love videos. Y'all can see it all sped up and see the final product a lot more quickly than I can.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty.
So I finished this side. I raked through the hair with a detangling brush, and then I also finger coiled some of the curls. And this is what we're looking like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and I defined the curls on both sides now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my leave out. I had my hair blow dried and it's not the cleanest in the front, to be honest. I have some stuff on it, so hopefully I can get it to blend. All right, bump what I just did, y'all. I found my water spray bottle, which is major key when it comes to me blending my hair, especially if it's straight like this. Y'all saw how long it took me to get my hair like curly again without water. Like my hair needs water to get back curly. Look at my curl now. This is my hair using the products that I normally use. So I gotta show y'all how I did that. This has a mixture of water and Kinky Curly Knot Today. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this hair down, baby, okay? Get it nice and wet. That didn't sound good, but y'all know what I mean. Okay, drench the hair down. I use this Kendra like anti-humidity spray. So the spray is working because it doesn't want to go back curly as easily as normal. So if you're natural and you're afraid to like straighten your hair, don't be. You just have to make sure that you use products and keep your hair moisturized. Okay, I'm gonna start scrunching this hair up. I'm gonna do just a little bit more water. Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna take my comb and just comb through this hair. Then I'm gonna take this Hair Grow Rosemary Mint and spray this leave-in my hair. Give it a little bit more moisture. Next, I'm gonna take the Lotta Body Mousse. And we're gonna put this in my hair. Just rake the product through. Now the Lotta Body, my hair doesn't look bad with the Lotta Body, as you can see right here, right? So the gel that I really like to use is this one from Aunt Jackie's. It's the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. It keeps my hair stretched because my natural hair, y'all, it shrinks up. Like a lot of yours probably does as well, but I have a lot of shrinkage. So this product right here keeps my curls more elongated, and that's gonna help match the curl pattern of this wig better. So make sure you get it nice and saturated on here. I'm just using my fingers to smooth the curls down. Do y'all see these curls now? Once it dries up, it's gonna be perfect. So let's go ahead and put that on top of there. I'm gonna take just a little bit more gel near this parting area here. So I did my makeup off camera. I think that it turned out super cute. The hair has finished completely air drying. Do y'all see this wig now? It blends in so seamlessly with my natural hair. This is my natural hair here. And I mean, it's blended in, baby, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just pick this out just a little bit, nothing crazy. Since we just use mousse on the hair is pretty defined as opposed to using mousse and water. So I just want to lift up the hair a bit on the sides and in the back. I'm just going to take a little bit of this Kerastase oil and just go over my natural hair and then just over like the ends and kind of just scrunch everything up. Helps the hair to look more moisturized and not as frizzy. And it smells amazing. This V-part wig install turned out super cute, y'all. At first, when I was blending my natural hair, it wasn't doing what it usually does, but stick to products that work for you. All of those products that I used to blend my hair with this wig, you see, it turned out flawless. My hair is not frizzy at all. You cannot see a line of demarcation there. It just looks so flawless and so good. I'm loving it. Y'all can let me know what y'all thought about this V-part wig install in the comment section down below. Would you rock this wig? Do you feel like it looks really natural? And if you like my makeup in this video and have not checked out my latest Gucci foundation review, find out if this $69 foundation that I'm wearing today was worth it or not. Click the box right here to go check that out next.